TR Rehab back at you. First, I want to say thanks to everyone for all the compliments they were giving me on my 1957 TR3 front apron, the paint job and polishing job that I did on it. Had a few people questioning whether or not if they could get that same result out of just an everyday driver car. And I'm here to tell you, yes. Minus the few scratches and blemishes if you don't go back and do any paint correction. But yeah, you can make your everyday car shine that way. And here are a few things that I laid out. And I'm not advertising for these, but these are things that I generally use because I'm, like I said, I have several black cars. So the black product seems to work very well with that. The first thing I like to have is, again, that distilled water and isopropyl alcohol. I use that as a prep wipe, and that removes wax and all contaminants from your vehicle. Then I go to the Black Magic. That thing's up. It's a miracle worker here, and I do use my my buffer on that. But I'm gonna use a hand applicator today just to kind of show you the average person at home that they can get some very nice results out of these items. And there's your black detailer, which I follow up with after I do the Black Magic polish. And then I slide in my carnauba wax in the process. And then I go back to the black detailer again. I remove the carnauba wax with the black detailer. And then I go, final step, to the black polish. And that's the spray wax in a bottle. And you will not believe the results that you'll get out of this. Like I said, I'm gonna show you how to do this in 5 minutes. I'm not even gonna wash the car. I'm gonna show you just how this works. This is my everyday little bucket. I said I had 3 black cars, but I forgot all about, I call this one Betsy Lou. This is what I generally drive on a daily. As you can see, scratches, not the cleanest. I'm not even gonna wash it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my, I'm gonna take a little spot on it and use my isopropyl alcohol and distilled water mix, and I'm gonna wipe out a section. And it will clean the car. I mean, it'll clean it. I would suggest that you wash your car beforehand, but just for the quickness of this video, I'm just go straight to it. So I'll get back to you. We're gonna let that dry to a haze, and then we're gonna go back over that. We're gonna remove it with the spray detailer. Okay, so now that your wax is dry, Give it the finger test. You're ready to go. There you go. That's how you learn how to polish in 5 minutes. And you can apply this towards any vehicle in your driveway. It's the same steps that I use, minus the power buffer that I use on the polishing. I actually use the hand applicator this time. But if you use a power buffer, you get even better results. Now this is the difference between what it was, because if you'll notice, I went around the gas cap. And I did that for a reason, so that you'll see the detail. That's the gas cap. You see the scratches, the clarity in it, and then we'll go up to where we buffed. You see how clear that is? Now you'll see all the colors in the background, the deck and the trees. This car stays outside, so yes, you can get some very nice results out of an everyday driver. Now, if you want to get it glass clean, like mirror clean, you go back over it with some 1500 grit sandpaper, wet sand it, and then follow those steps, and you will have pretty close to a show quality finish if you go in and do any paint corrections. So again, that's what it looks like before you polish, wax, and do the cleaning with the solutions and all. And that's what it looks like after. Learn how to polish in 5 minutes. It's that simple. Hit the like button and subscribe if this video was any help to you. Until the next time, TR Rehab.